gosh, what am I doing? So, for this video, I have to thank Official Carrots for the idea. Link in bio. Look what you did, dude. Why am I doing this? Alright, for whoever is wondering why I have a late video, and this doesn't apply to you guys who are watching it later. Why would you even watch this video, honestly? Like, it's a butterfly. Yeah, I basically just went to go see the movie Bumblebee, so that's why it's kind of late. But yeah, butterfly, and you can't take it apart. This is a fixed this is a fixed axle yo-yo, and this is a starter yo-yo. It's actually my first yo-yo I ever used, and my OG one has the original string on it. Look at that beautiful color. By the way, that's supposed to be white. And the string is probably about a foot long. Yeah, it's pretty much sad. And I signed the back of it, so like, that's cool. Alright, so for everyone who's wondering how big this yo-yo is, Duncan butterfly. Regular shutter. You could probably fit about 2 super wides in here. This is Yoyo Factory super wide, by the way. It's a B grade. You can see that like they had some issues and circled them, so that's why it's a B grade. Yeah, but basically, like, come on, Duncan, make a butterfly too. If you make a butterfly too, I'll review it. Basically, the yo-yo's specs, there's no response pads or bearing, fixed axle. Yeah, let's throw it. Why am I using kitty string on this yo-yo? Okay. We strung it up with like some string, and let's see if we can wind it up without. How did I knot it by winding it up? I don't understand. Okay. I have not used one of these in a long time. Okay. Obviously it's responsive. Yeah, and it's a fixed axle. So you have to kind of throw it hard to like get it to come back to you. Hold on, I wonder if yeah, okay, that didn't work. I was wondering if I could pull it closer together. Oh my if it would respond better. It actually works really well to bind this yo-yo. Yeah, so like this yo-yo is terrible for finger spins and finger grinds, but it is good for longer basic tricks. The harder you throw it, the better it's going to respond to your tug upwards. You have to be kind of dramatic with your upward pull so you can get as much slack as possible into the bearing so it can snap. You can't really do many tricks with this. You know, we're gonna knot this yo-yo a second. How do I knot a yo-yo? Will this work? Oh no, now I can't do tricks with it. Now it's turned into a Duncan looping yo-yo. Oh, let's go. Dude, I haven't looped in forever. Yeah, for beginners, just knot your yo-yo like twice. And that will make your life a little bit easier. I should start looping again. Oh! Oh, switch it back. Wow, I didn't actually think I'd have this much fun with this video. I have a really good idea, but I have to go outside for it. You know what's gonna happen. Shoot the moon. Okay, now that that's done.